Hi guys, it's me. Today we're gonna be playing Slime Simulator. And today we're gonna create slime. So I want to do milky. So we're gonna add white glue, and pour in some water, and then we're gonna add some lotion. It's gonna be really hard to put in, add activator, and stir everything together. I'm stirring it, with my hand. Okay, so now I'm gonna use turquoise. Ooh, some turquoise. I think it's gonna be that turquoise color, which is too light. No, it isn't. Oh, I like this one. Okay, let's blend in the color. So why don't we use some flowers? So some blue flowers. Yeah, so cute. Now I'm gonna put these blue, cute flowers in here. And then we can add a little bit more of the glitters to it. I'm not going to add too much, because you know what happens if you add too much glitter. Ooh, it's going to get hard. Just get some blue ones. Blue, little flip-flops. I just got this flip-flops. Let's call this one Ocean. Let's call this Dolphin. Actually, never mind. I'll call this Sea. Okay. I pressed OK. Okay. Oh my goodness. Yes. Let's play. Let's see what I can do with the slime. So let's add, wait one sec. Okay, so look, now we can play with the slime. Ooh, nice. Mushy. Nice. The sound of that slime. How come it doesn't sound like anything? It's so weird. It doesn't even sound like anything like slime. It looks like slime, but it doesn't sound all that mushy. Sounds ASMR. That nice. Wait one sec. Okay, so now let's play. You can hear it. Ooh, nice. Perfect slime. Let's create another one. Let's add. Should we use classic or airy? No, didn't I just get airy? Let's get mirror. Add some clear glue. I wanted to use not glue, the white glue. Put some water. Yummy water. Tasty. No, metallic pigment. What's that? Oh yeah, it's so cool how it looks like. Holographic powder. What's that? If I make slime one day, I'm gonna use that. So I'm gonna use a color. Let's use. Let's try violet. Miraculous, the luckiest. So come on, let's do it. Oh, it looks so furry. Ooh. Oh, ASMR. Yeah, that's ASMR. Really great ASMR. Okay, let's use this and let's get pink. Na. Pink. So we got the pink powder. It's full. So let's add this. Let's add Let's add yellow. Orange and purple are like Halloween colors. It doesn't even remind me of that. Ooh. Skip. Yes, I got more coins. That yummy. Oh wait, one sec. came back, so let's... Oh, Oh, can you look at that slime? That's so great. So... Oh, that's gonna be great. I'm gonna put... Oh, it's like hair. It's like, you know, like purple hair, but with glitter in it. That's so cool. I'll be like, oh, purple hair. I wish this was my hair. Huh? I'll be like, oh, it's like, it would be really cool if this was hair. This would like, oh, it's making me so happy. Wait, hear this. Literally. Can you hear that? That's like a bus in front of my house, like, you know. There's like a bus stop in front of my house, and like every day a bus comes. It's like a bus, like bus comes by, and it's like, yeah. Ooh, that's great slime. Should I create another one? Yeah, let's create one more. Let's go on Fluffy. Add that great. Add some yummy water. Add some shaming. Why you need foam for? Add some activator. Now I'm gonna stir everything together. Let's add. Let's add red. Make it look like blood. So I can put it all over my brother's face. Oh wait, why does it look like that? That isn't. It's really weird. I picked these colours. Ooh, see some fruits. Okay. I'm gonna play with some other slimes. I'll show you some after this skip. Let's play. Oh wait. Because I'm back, so. Ooh. Oh, that sound. Oh, this sounds like one of the slimes I really like. Yeah, they're really like foamy. Oh, they're really nice. You know, like wait one sec. See that? Just a person from outside. So he was talking like literally then. So, ooh, that's a very foamy. It's just like. It's quite noisy, but sometimes it's quite peaceful and quiet. So yeah. Oh. So bye guys. Hope you have a watery day. Watermelon. Peace out.